Researching Discover Cashback, Duane here with How to Build Credit TV. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about my experiences in regards to Discover Cashback. So be sure to watch the video until the end because I'm actually going to log into my account and show you how much cashback I've accumulated thus far. But before we get started, I have a quick Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and this channel offers 100% free information about how to build credit, how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. So if this is your first time watching our videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification icon so you don't miss out on anything. All right, let's get started. Well, I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of the commercials from Discover Card regarding their cashback and cashback match program. And I'm here to tell you that in my experience, it's actually a pretty incredible program. If you actually pair that with some of the offers that they have in regards to getting 5% cash back in certain categories, in certain quarters, well, there's only 4 quarters in the year, but if you pair that with that, as well as the 1% cash back that you get on everything else, it's a pretty sweet deal. As a matter of fact, I think I'm up to about $350 in cash back right now. I got my card in October of 2017, and I think my year is going to be up in September 2018. So I'm actually going to log into my account and I'm going to show you guys where I am currently and what I've experienced with the program. It's a pretty sweet deal. So give me a second here. I have my cell phone in my hand in the video here. Here's my cell phone, my wonderful cracked screen cell phone. I'm gonna go ahead and start a screen record here. I'll start the screen record right now in a second. Sorry, give me a second here. Starting up the screen record. So, all right, right now I'm recording my screen. Am I? Yes, I am. Okay, sorry about that. Right now I'm recording my screen, so I'm gonna go ahead and log into my Discover account. Right here on the screen, I'm gonna show you guys, press my Discover account there. I'm gonna actually put my fingerprint in whenever it pops up on the screen. That's asking for my fingerprint. All right, there we go. Eventually gonna go, I actually have the 6S, so I know it's time to update my phone, but this is what I'm rocking currently. So forgive my cracked screen, look at that. That's pretty bad. So anyway, as you can see, I'm in my account here, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys currently underneath the cashback bonus category. I currently have $354.90. On my last statement that just closed, I got $42.18. So as you can see, it also states my cashback match. That's going to be available September 17th, 2018. So far I'm doing pretty well. This program, in my experience, has been really incredible. All you have to do, I'm going to log out of my account. Sorry, give me 1 second here. Well, I'll just end the video. In the screen recording. All you have to do is get your card, try to maximize the spending for each quarter. So like for the first quarter in 2018, the quarter was gas and wholesale clubs like Sam's and Costco and whatnot. So you maximize your spending in that category and you make sure that you get 5% when you use gas. I mean, when you buy gas, right? So instead of like using your debit card, which most people practice, I actually use my credit card for every single purchase. I use my credit card all the time. I do not ever use my debit card because it just doesn't make sense. I'm being rewarded by Discover by spending money that I'm going to spend anyway. I'm not buying anything extra. I'm not spending money just to get the cash back. I'm just spending money normally as I would if I were using my debit card. So I do that, and I actually pay my credit card bills weekly. Actually, sometimes I pay twice a week because I'm a nerd like that. I just want to make sure that my balance is always zero and that I'm never paying any interest. As a matter of fact, I have not paid any interest since I have the card, which has been October 2017. I get confused because it says that my year's anniversary is September 2018. So whatever the details are. But anyway, I just wanted to make the video just to let you guys know I'm a real person getting real results from Discover Card. I've had nothing but a wonderful experience with them, and I would encourage you to try to maximize the cashback as well as the cashback match. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment, like, and have a look at my channel, have a look around. This channel is 100% free, like I said. Free information always about how to build credit, how to get cash back, actual cash money by using credit cards, as well as credit card review. So thanks again for watching, guys. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.